You know, on our Thursday morning segments with Miss Hema Dalal from Vital Energy, we talk about a lot of topics that maybe phrases you hear, you've heard of, but we really don't exactly understand exactly what they are. Phrases like incontinence and leaky bladder syndrome. Miss Hema, what in the world is that?
Urinary incontinence is a common disorder, usually after the childbirth, during the pregnancy.
Okay.
Even though it's not a part of aging process, it does happen to the woman as well as men.
Okay.
They have an urgency to go to the bathroom, or they have a leaky bladder. So every time they have a stress or they cough, sneeze, they move.
Something happens.
Something happens. They start, and what happens is the bladder muscles becomes weak, or your pelvic floor muscles become very weak, or you have arthritis and you don't make it to the bathroom, and then it starts as an anxiety, and then the stress. Sometimes it's an overactive bladder. So there are lots of different reasons why bladder starts dysfunctioning.
How can you treat that? Short of wearing, I know they have undergarments and things you can wear, but short of that, is there a way to treat it? Is there a way to make it a little better?
Of course. Pelvic floor muscle exercises, physical therapists or occupational therapists who are trained and experienced in treating this condition, you should go to only them, because they can do the myofascial release. They can differentiate different bladder problem, because if it's a nerve problem, if it's a muscle weakness problem, versus sometimes it's a spasmodic bladder, then they can do actual manual therapy for you too, to help you out.
Build those muscles back up and have a little more control.
Right, and there is an E-Stim treatment. There are lots of different biofeedback, meditation, relaxation treatment, because it definitely sacrifices the quality of life.
Sure.
So yeah, please take care and look into it. Don't just sit and suffer and let your quality of life deteriorate.
All right, understanding incontinence and was it leaky bladder syndrome. Gracious. We're going to put links for you at abccolumbia.com. She'll put some other great information for you if that's something you suffer with or worry about. It turns out there are ways to combat it and deal with it. Appreciate
Perfect.
it. Miss Hema Dalal, Vital Energy, both in Forest Acres and over in Lexington. Guys, we'll be back.
Thank you.